join car radio need. Okay, 13th. Android Auto. Sorry, Android car radio. Here. Here. CPU. Okay. Radio movie. Here. Big camera. YouTube here.
A lot of people ask us if we build gender-specific bikes. We actually build person-specific bikes.
We want everyone to have an incredible riding experience. We know that if a bike fits better, you'll
HD IPS.
enjoy it more. You'll ride it more.
Each Fazari bike comes with a 23-point custom setup. We get a bunch of different measurements from each rider because everyone is proportioned a little bit different.
That's where we're different. We custom build the bike to each rider, getting height, weight, inseam, torso, shoulder width, arm length to fit a bike just for you. A lot of people think with a custom fit, with a 23-point custom setup, it's a really difficult buying experience. In fact, the opposite couldn't be more true. We have a very simple guide on Fazari.com that shows you how to take those measurements that we need. We're bringing personalization to the internet and to the bike buying experience. You can chat with us through Fazari.com, you can email us, you can call and talk to us on the phone. It's one of the personalizations and the custom guarantee that we bring. After you've submitted your order and your measure.
Okay. DSP. Music.
当所有的人离开我的时候，你劝我有耐心等候，并且陪我度过生命中最长的寒冬，如此宽容。当所有的人靠近我的时候，我安静从容，似乎知道我有一颗永不安静的心，容易蠢动。我终于让千百双手在我面前挥舞，我终于拥有了千百个热情的笑容，我终于让人群被我深深的打动，我全忘了。
Google Maps. YouTube. Okay.
We go through and
Big
finish the
camera.
23-point custom setup. Multiple fit technicians, multiple mechanics go through each bike to make sure everything is perfect, adjusted, tuned, and exactly for you, the rider, based off your measurements, your riding style, your riding location. We want this bike to be perfect. We take great pride in the personalization that we offer with each of these. We treat the bikes like they're going home with us. Even at the $500 level bike, we're still including that custom fit. So it's not just that. We make those changes and implement those changes a lot quicker.
If there's a choice between two components at a certain
IPS
product level, we always go for the
display.
better. We don't want people to have warranty issues. We'd rather have them out riding
Very
on trails.
beautiful.
We build our bikes with the best components in the class,
Okay.
and then we back them with the best guarantee in the business.
We have bikes starting
Big camera.
in the $500 range, all the way to your full custom Tour de France bikes and every price point in between.